Hey guys, welcome to Shareably Delicious. Today we're going to show you how to make a roux from scratch. Now I should point out that this roux won't thicken your gravies as much as one with more flour would, but we still use it as a base in our gravies and stews, and it's just perfect for adding flavor to them. You will need 8 cups of white flour and 8 cups of vegetable oil. These amounts will make about 13 cups of roux when you're done. If you choose, you can add a diced yellow onion at the end for extra flavor. You'll also need a thick iron pot like a Dutch oven. Now you can make a larger or smaller amount of this roux, but just remember that you keep the ratios of flour and oil equal. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you'll combine the flour and the oil. Stir it a lot until you've broken up most of the clumps like you see here. It'll take a few minutes for sure. Once most of the clumps are broken up, put the lid on your pot and put it in the oven. Now through the whole cooking process, you're going to set a timer for every 10 minutes so that you can take it out and stir. Stirring is important because the flour starts to settle at the bottom of the pot and you need to be sure to mix it back in. Sometimes it'll get a little foamy like this, and that's normal. Just stir it and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Repeat this process until it's the color you want. You're looking for a chocolate color. Milk chocolate for a lighter roux, which means the flavor isn't as strong, and then dark chocolate for a nutty, earthy flavor. We cooked ours for 2 hours and 40 minutes to achieve this color. As I said earlier, if you want a thicker roux, you need to have a larger ratio of flour to oil. Once you have the color you want, you're done. We used this roux to make a chicken stew and a meatball stew, and both were delicious, so we hope your dishes turn out the same.